Simplify 2 divided by KL minus 3 divided by KL plus 2. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The question says that we should simplify this expression. We will begin by finding the LCM of the denominators. We have two denominators here. The first one is KL minus 3 and the second one is KL plus 2. The LCM will be the product of the two denominators. So we will multiply the two denominators to get the LCM. And so the LCM of KL minus 3 and KL plus 2 will be KL minus 3 times KL plus 2. KL minus 3 times KL plus 2 divided by the first denominator, which is KL minus 3, will give us KL plus 2. And so we will multiply the numerator of the first fraction by KL plus 2. And that will give us 2 times KL plus 2, or 2 into bracket KL plus 2. We move on to the second fraction. The denominator of the second fraction is KL plus 2. The LCM is KL minus 3 times KL plus 2. KL minus 3 times KL plus 2 divided by KL plus 2 will give us KL minus 3. And so we will multiply negative 3 by KL minus 3. And that will give us negative 3 into bracket KL minus 3. Let's expand the bracket. 2 times K will give us 2KL. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Negative 3 times K will give us negative 3KL. And negative 3 times negative 3 will give us positive 9. 4 plus 9 will give us 13. And 2KL minus 3KL will give us negative KL. And so the numerator will be 13 minus KL divided by the denominator, which is KL minus 3 times KL plus 2. So when you simplify 2 divided by KL minus 3 divided by KL plus 2, you are going to have 13 minus KL divided by KL minus 3 times KL plus 2. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is option A.